Hello, dear viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending upon whichever part of the world you are right now. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm an independent trader and analyst. Therefore, whatever I'm going to discuss with you here, these are my own opinions and ideas. They have nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. I'm just using their YouTube platform to host my analysis. In this webinar, we'll be strictly discussing the price action and will not talk about anything fundamental in nature like job cuts or something like that. Now, as a technical analyst, I know every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll just focus on the charts. For this purpose, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts, and we'll try to find out the key levels for all the major pairs. When I say key levels, they are the key levels of inflection from where the price can reverse or can advance further. So these are, in other words, some people say it support and resistance levels. So we'll be making those, and we'll also ascertain the price market structure based on the daily charts. And we'll see how we can use those key levels and the market structure to our advantage. Now, if you're new to the technical analysis, I will request you to go to the channel's homepage, go to the playlist section. There you will find the profitable candlestick patterns and the profitable chart patterns. These are the two playlists that I have created earlier. If you go through them, it will really help you in understanding what I was talking about in this program. At the end of this session, I'll be asking questions from the viewers. I mean, if you have any questions to ask, so of course, I'll be very happy to answer those questions. Please feel free to ask them in the chat box. Before I start the session, let me tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purpose. You cannot see them as a trading advice. Please do your own research before you put your money on the line. Thank you for your patience, and now let's go to the charts with a quick risk disclaimer. All right, so here comes my chart. First chart is the US dollar index. This is the daily chart of the US dollar. And you can see that something is happening here. This is the Friday. We were not expecting this much of a move today, but something has just happened. The price has seen higher high, but the problem here is that before making higher high, it has also made a lower low. Now, till now, the price action was like this. The price action was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Here it made a lower low and then it made a higher high. So we are not sure now which direction the price is going. So this is a too big of a candle which has broken the low of yesterday and high of yesterday. So we are not certain to which direction market is pointing. But if I go with the trend here, then this is still an uptrend and the price may continue till 104.29 now. So yes, bias is still bullish, although it has broken the low of yesterday and in fact this one also. But you see the price has also broken the previous high. So we are not sure which direction the market is pointing. So US dollar has put us in a dilemma. But yes, the next level of resistance for us is 104.29, and if the price starts coming down from here, it can find support around 103.66 in the coming time. I'm sorry guys, I have a sore throat. Please forgive me for that. Here in the case of the Euro USD, we had ascertained that this is a bearish bias here based on these lows earlier. So I'll take you to the 4-hour to show you what exactly we were thinking. We were expecting the price to go higher from here and then find resistance in this box. Somewhere here it found the resistance and now the price is headed lower. Well, this was based on these previous highs where I was expecting the resistance, and actually that has been respected now, and somebody would have booked almost 100 pips of profit here if we would have opened up. but I see that this 4 hour has not given much of a time for somebody to react. But anyways, if you look at this price action now, the bias is still bearish, at least on the daily. But before the price made okay, here you see the price made something like this. Right now it has come to this level, and thereafter it made a lower high, and now I think it is making a lower low, right? Even lower than this, I think it's expected. I'm sorry. So this comes like this, something like this is expected. All right. So if you ask me what is the level of resistance now, 1.0821 in my this thing is the resistance. But if you can bring this down, then this becomes your level of interest, 1.0897. This can start acting as a resistance now if the price goes from bottom to the upside here. This is also in line with these highs and these lows, and also these lows and these lows. So 1.0897 in my view is a very strong level of resistance, although you can now remove this level because it has been tested many times. On the way down, 1.0724 is our ultimate support, or you can say also the projected target to the downside. All right. So what is the level of resistance? 1.0897 area is the crucial level of resistance now, and the support is 1.0724. You can keep these levels on your charts for the next week. Okay. GBP USD, well, we were expecting the price to break below in this region only, 1.2730, but yes, the price has seen a high on intraday, which is very high, actually 1.2772. I was not expecting this much of a high move. I was only expecting the price to come back from here like this, because you see earlier the price could not close any day higher than this, but yesterday it closed higher and then eventually got broken off. But anyways, the price is headed lower still, and 1.2500 is the target, which is almost 120 pips from here, which I think the price will see next week for sure. All right, this particular candle today, this Friday's candle, has engulfed all the price action of last 2 weeks. So there is the potential for the price to go in the direction of 1.2500 for sure. On the way up, this falling channel's resistance may also be a dynamic resistance for the price. If you get an opportunity to sell it again, that will be a good idea. Similarly, Australian dollar has also seen something like a hanging man here. The low of this bullish candlestick has been taken out. That means all the bulls, those who wanted to buy the Australian dollar, they have switched their position, and I think now 0.6453 is very much exposed in this market. Okay, so keep an eye on this one, where yes, you can expect 0.6526 to act as a resistance. The support is 0.6453 and the next support is 0.639. In the case of New Zealand dollar, also something like that has happened, although there was a bullish pin bar here yesterday, but the low of that bullish pin bar is now taken out. So that means that all the people who wanted to buy or open the buy position here, they are now out of the market. The stop losses have definitely been triggered. If not here, then these stop losses have triggered. So ultimately, you can say that now there are no more buyers, and you can expect at a retest at least 0.6084 should start acting as a very good resistance with the target of 0.5940 and 0.5774 in this market in the near term. So keep that in mind. USD CHF, although there is a very good green candle here, but I'm not very hopeful in the US dollar rising against the Swiss franc. Although in the I saw that in the Switzerland job data, they have published very I mean say very bad numbers for the Switzerland. Maybe that's why US dollar is rising as of now. But you see this falling channel, then this horizontal level of resistance. So expect some huge resistance around 0.8728. Till the time the price is trading below 0.8728, I'm not buying this market. Okay, this may fall anytime soon. So keep an eye on it, or maybe you can say cautious or keep it like this. No, nothing in this one. So Alex is saying something. GBP USD looks like in a range pattern. Uh, for me, yes, also. But you see that this low that has been created here on 17th of January, that has made a low of 1.2597, that actually has broken below these two lows. So the pattern was broken, but although the price could not give a clean close here, but you also notice that at the higher prices it was being rejected. That means that all these sellers who have entered here, they were again trying to push the market, although the buyers came in and they gave another chance for all the sellers which came in directly to push the market down. Now anytime the price goes below this point 1.2500 will be exposed, and I'm expecting it to be, I agree that the bias is bear. Yes, the bias is not only bear now, it is a confirmed bearish signal now, because all those who wanted to buy here yesterday, they have been taken out. You see single bearish engulfing. Now when something like this comes, it means that there is no tug of war between buyers and sellers. Now all the buyers have been taken out. Boom, finished. So now you can expect only selling and selling in the coming time. That is what my point is. Yes, it looks like from a remote view, it looks like that there is a range here. I think you want to say that there is a range like this. Yeah, and if it breaks to the downside, maybe you want to sell this. Of course you can keep that conservative view, because I am expecting something like this to happen. Okay, something like this may happen very soon. So you can look for selling around 1.2620 only after the break below, because right now you sell and this takes support from here and goes above that. That doesn't make any point here. Alex, if you can wait for something like this. Okay, all right, we were discussing USD CHF. Yes, in the USD CHF I am saying that there is a rise right now, but I'm not very bullish on this one. The bias is bearish, that is one thing. In the longer run the price is going down, down and down, so just one biased one candle like this cannot make me afraid. So I think I will wait for the price to actually go beyond 0.8728 for myself to become buyer in this one. USD CAD is the similar case, although right now it is giving us a bullish engulfing, but I'm not very confident on this. 1.3542 is the resistance. Let's see how the things behave over there. Right now it looks like yes, the price can go till 1.3542, close to which I will be looking for a selling opportunity again. I think right now, okay, the price is just making lower highs and lower lows. USD JPY, very good move. 148.53 is where it is trading right now. The price was making a higher highs and higher lows. 144.35 was the support. We had made a counter trending channel. That channel looks like breaking now, but do not buy at the current level because it is very close to the resistance of these three highs, as well as 149.75, which I am finding as the ultimate resistance for this one based on the previous price action. So even if you buy it, you will have a potential of very small profits. So right now there is no need to buy, but yes, if you can get this market with this price, if you can get it with this price somewhere here 147 or something, that too with a channel being broken by the bias to the upside, then I think that will be a good idea to maybe I will show you on the lower time frames on the 4 hour maybe. So if you can get this market like this, there is a high probability that the market will come like this. Okay, and if you can buy this market around here with a small stop loss, say here, then you will have a potential of much more. Then you will have a potential of say now approximately 44 points of stop loss and approximately 115 points of take profit. So all in all it is good. 4 3 12, approximately 1:3 reward ratio you can get. If you want, you can do something like that, but right now if you buy here, your stop loss will be here and it will not be a good idea. All right, New Zealand CAD, we have broken yet another support around 0.8179. Now the next level around 0.8105 is exposed. We have discussed about this earlier. So now this ladder will keep going down, 8105, 8040, 7967, something like that will keep happening. Okay, but you do not sell it now. In this one also you can look for a selling opportunity like this. Okay, when something like this happens, you can look for a selling opportunity here. So keep a sharp eye on this New Zealand CAD also. We have kept it on our chart so that we can also utilize this opportunity. Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin is trying very hard to go up and it has not given any hint of going down from here. So I'm expecting 49.21 again, 49.021 again in the coming time. Next week, maybe next to next week, it is very much possible. 49.021 is still the resistance, the support being around 38.548. Brent, well, something like this we have discussed and it is happening. We did not get sufficient support here, that's why the price action continued to the downside. Now I'm expecting 72.33. Before that, I don't think that the price will stop. 72.33 is the support. On the upside, we have resistance around 84.62. I was shouting bias is bearish. People started buying over here with some hints from these bullish pin bars. I'm sorry about them, but yes, the bias is bearish and the price is going in the direction where it is intended to go. 72.33 is the targets. Last is the gold. Finally, the gold gave us some clean closes above. Now it is consolidating. So this may be used as an opportunity to go, I think, long in this one. So what you can do is you can actually create something like this, then go to 1 hour and expect the price to move like this for some time, and then eventually when it goes above this channel, then you can definitely buy the gold. Right now it is consolidating, okay, above this symmetrical triangle. Let's see how the things unfold in the future, but right now it is consolidating. You do not buy or sell this market, just stay away from it. Last is this Bain. I don't think that anybody is going to buy this market. This market is doomed. It is going to go for, I think, 0. The target is 0 in this one. Okay, that's a joke, but yes, the downside is huge in this one. There is no upside whatsoever. So expect some down move towards 25 levels or maybe less than that. All right. So that's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And if you don't have any question, then I think we should wrap up this session. Do you have any question? Please let me know in the chats. All right, friends, I see that this is a Friday and you want to go for a long weekend. But believe me, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. I hope that you will keep in mind that you have to only risk 1% or less of your capital on any single trade. And you after today's movie, after today's move, what do you mean after today's move, Sandy? I did not get your entire question. It is only saying after today's move. What do you mean by after today's move? I have not got your complete question. It is only saying after today's move question mark. What does it mean? Entry point on AUD. What are you talking? Okay, let me check. Ah, see, one entry has you have missed, that is the break and retest. Now if you are looking for entry, maybe you should enter close to 0.6526. Although it is close to 0.6526, if it closes below this 0.6526, you can sell this market with a target of 0.6453 and also 0.6339. You can sell this now also, but I am very conservative. I let the market close and then wait for it to come back. Okay, because this is a huge move from here. This can go anywhere. This can go anywhere. 50%. If it retraces this 50%, then the price can even go towards 0.6558. All right, this is a possibility. So the price can also stop close to 0.6526. This is also possible. Aaron, you said, why did US dollar go so strong today? I'm sorry, Aaron. I am not sure. I did not check it. Is it? There must be some policy change. I do not track news. I just see that something happened. It comes on my charts. If something comes on my chart, I just react to it. Non-farms payroll. So there must be some good data from the non-farm payrolls. That's it. There must be some good data. You want me to check it up? Just hold on. I will bring up my Forex calendar. So yes, they were expecting it to be unemployment rate to be at 3.8%, but it came out to be 3.7%. So they have 0.1%. Yeah, very strong non-farm payroll numbers. All right. And they had expected 187,000 employments, but this came out to be almost double, 353,000. Yeah, and average hourly earning was expected at 0.3%, but it came out to be 0.6%. So there's more spending, and consumer sentiment has increased to 0.1%. So yes, overall very good US data all in all, and that's why this happened. Okay, don't bother. After some time, this all news effect will go and the market will continue in the similar direction where it was going. If it was going down, it will keep going down. If it was going up, it will keep going up. Don't bother much. So you are saying that where you can enter, one thing is that you can wait for a retracement. If you wait for the retracement, I think you can get a good entry around 0.6558 levels. And if you don't want to wait for the retracement and you want to sell now, then you will have to keep your stop loss here, 0.6612 area. Keep that in mind. Okay, because this is where the selling started now, this leg. So this leg you are selling in the very much discount. Do not sell in the discount. Let it go into the premium around 0.6558 area or something. I hope that helps. Sandy, does that help? Anyways guys, if you have any more question, you can write me on my Skype and I'll be very happy to answer. Somebody, I think Arian or somebody asked me that, yeah, by the pullback also the HGPY continues to be bullish, correct? Yes, it is bullish. All right. And now somebody was trying to ask me something on the Skype, then he did not ask me. You are free to ask me anything on the Skype also after the webinar is over. Thank you very much for your time. See you next week, Monday, 1700 GMT. Here it is written daily webinar at 1630, but it is not 1630. It is 1700 GMT. Thank you very much for time. See you on Monday. Bye bye. Till then, take care.